In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Notion account. To get started, make sure you open Notion on your desktop, either in a web browser or through the desktop app. This is important because account deletion is not supported on the mobile app. So if you try to do this from your phone or tablet, you won't see the option you need. Once Notion is open and you are signed in, look over to the sidebar menu. In that menu, click on Settings and Members. This will open the area where your workspace and account preferences are managed. If you are not used to navigating around Notion's settings, take your time here and make sure you are in the correct section before moving on. After the settings window appears, click on your profile or account name in the pop-up menu. This takes you to the My Account section, where you can manage personal account settings rather than workspace-specific settings. That distinction matters because deleting your account is different from simply leaving a workspace or removing a page. Next, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the My Account page. Near the bottom, you'll find the option labeled Delete My Account. Go ahead and select it. Since this is a permanent action, Notion places it lower in the settings page to help prevent accidental clicks. When prompted, type in your account email address to confirm your decision. This confirmation step is there to make sure that you really intend to delete the account. Be careful when entering the email address and make sure it matches the account you are currently using. After that, click Permanently Delete Account. Once you do this, your account deletion request will be finalized. Because this action is permanent, it's a good idea to pause for a moment before clicking, especially if you have notes, documents, or shared workspaces you may want to review first. And that's all it takes to delete your Notion account on desktop. Just remember that this process needs to be done from a desktop browser or the desktop application, not from mobile. Thanks for watching.